Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so this right here, what I'm doing is a quick shout out from my brother. So my brother just dropped a brand new instrumental on his channel, a reggae beat. Yes, and a quick little update for all who don't know. So my brother, we both started music together like years ago. He always create the instrumentals and I do the singing. He play guitar and he also play the keyboard. Yeah, so he's very talented like that, and he just dropped a brand new instrumental. And also, I would like to hear from you guys after you listen to the beat. Should I drop a song on it? You all be the judge of the beat. And actually, I love the beat. Let me just give you a little snippet as I've been working on it. Let me just show you quickly. Let's flip the camera. Alright, so. But not going to nothing more. Just go over to the channel and check it out. You see me? Go listen to the rest of the beat. Yeah, man. So his name is Tim Jim. That's his nickname anyway. Yeah, I gave him that name. You see me? So Tim Jim Beats, and link will be down in the description and also pinned in the comment section. So check it out for my beautiful people and let me know what you all think. Alright? We'll greatly appreciate it. Let him know some sent you all over to subscribe and like up the video. Like up that. You know what I mean? Just do the right thing. Yeah, man. So I'll be there looking.